Hi, my name is Andrei Шрамко and will show you my new special mount for Autel Evo 2 Pro cameras. It can be always on a drone. You can use it with a different payloads. If you want to use obstacle avoidance without any additional payload, you can remove this mount plate and use it as you always use it. It's possible to create any additional mount using this profile. Also, it's possible to place this screw on any other hole if you want to redistribute weight. We'll show you how it works. Here two parts additional, one first, second, then you can unmount the back one part and front. It's perfectly fit to upside to Autel drone because I did a special scan of it and then create this mount. For example, I will show you close up this way, then find first part and place it in this hole, and the second one, and then when you use this plate, it will also hold these two parts from this side, as you can see, and here you can fix it, and it's not possible to move this plate and move these parts, so the whole body is very rigid and safety for using different huge payload. I will use it with 360 cameras. Here I will create a special damper and some gimbals to use it upside down on this camera. Also, you can mount here any other special cameras like DJI FPV cameras and fly FPV or additional some cameras. One, two, three holes different. Again, put it on a drone. It can be even folded. Top parts, bottom parts. better put it drone to the table. And here mount this two piece. The first one and the second one. For more safety, you can screw 1, 2, 3 additional bolts if you want to be extremely safety. But it's enough if you place this mount on a drone. It will fix these two parts. And fix it. Here we can place any additional parts to mount, and here some additional holes if you want to screw something additional on this plate. So that's all. When I create some dampers and gimbals for the 360 cameras, I will show you the result how to shoot. I like it because I don't need to use I can use it always on a drone. I have another mount I bought from a China shop like this one, but I don't like it. It's from rubber and not so safety like I did. Also, you can mount, if you want to use something like this one, you can mount it on this drone, for example. Sorry. And screw this damper. But also I don't like this damper. I create my own better than this one. So thanks for watching. Bye.